Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for science number 4. Leviathan Trucker Edition. Yes, 30 trucks that I have selected are now in census. And, well, I'd say without further ado, let's kick off round 1. Oh, and before we do that, we'll show you who is driven a truck. And the Science 3 champion. As you can see, your defending champion, 5155 Creations, will be in Instigator. And he's going to take on the Purple Great Daily Collection. So, without further ado, let's kick off round 1 with Wolfhead and Son of the Digger. And yes, Son of the Digger counts as a retired trucker. So, here we go. Round 1 is underway. And the first one's going to go to Son of the Digger, Mystery Murder. Up next, we got another Mystery Mother, Son of the Digger. He's going to take on Gold Maximum Destruction. And Gold Maximum Destruction gets the win over Son of the Digger. Alright, up next, we got the Gaunt's Dragonoid taking on the Playset's Son of the Digger. And the Playset version of Son of the Digger gets the win over Dragonoid Galaxy. Alright, we got a good race right here. The Christmas Rotor taking on the Candy Apples Max D. And the Christmas Rotor gets the win over Max D. Alright, we got Max D showdown between the Mystery Mutters Max D and this awesome looking Max D that I call it the Overcharged Max D. And what a debut for the Overcharged Max D. He knocks off the Mystery Mutter. Alright, these two are next, and this is their first ever appearance on my channel. The Yellow Destroyer, King Crunch. And King Crunch gets the win over the Yellow Destroyer. Alright, up next we got Sunny Impact taking on Octanair. Ooh, good race, and Octanair takes out Sunny Impact. Up next in round 1 we got Growler taking on the Ninja Turtle. Oh, good race, but the Ninja Turtle, I believe, got the win. Yes, indeed. He knocked off Growler in round 1. Up next, we got the defending champion, 5155 Creations in Instigator. And he's going to take on the Purple Great Digger the Legend. And Instigator gets the round 1 win over the Legend. Alright, up next we got Annihilator taking on Wonder Woman. And good race, but Annihilator annihilates Wonder Woman. Alright, up next, Mad Scientist taking on Exterminator. And Exterminator gets the win over the Mad Scientist. The Silver Series Zombie Hunter is going to take on Inferno. Is up next. Good race, but the Silver Series Zombie Hunter gets the win over Inferno. Up next, we got Doomsday taking on the No-Horned Bulldozer. And the No-Horned Bulldozer gets the win over Doomsday. Alright, Silver Series Mohawk Warriors up next, taking on the Mud NEA. And NEA gets the win over Mohawk Warrior. Alright, Zombie Hunter takes on WCW Sting. And Zombie Hunter eliminates Sting. Sting is having a tough day out here today. Tough break for Sting. And finally, we have the final match of round 1, which is going to be between the Battle of Max D, Original and Gold. race was Michelangelo gets the win over Oxynator. Alright, guys, now we get matchup. Instigator, Annihilator. Hey, that rhymes. And the Annihilator get him? Yes, he definitely did. We got ourselves a new champion. As Annihilator eliminates Instigator from the match. Exterminator, Silver Series, Zombie Hunter. And Silver Series Zombie Hunter wins with a block over Exterminator. We're almost done in round 2. Is next up because the no-born Bulldozer taking on the Mud NEA. And the no-horn Bulldozer gets the win over the Mud NEA. And then off round 2 is going to be between the Zombie Hunter Normal and the Gold Max D from Mattel. Oh, good race. But it's going to be Zombie Hunter for the win over Gold Max D. Alright, guys, 8 strokes remaining. It's time for the quarterfinal. Now, let's not waste any more time. We're going to start off round 3 with Gold Maximum Structure and Son of a Digger place back. So, which truck will advance to the semis? Gold Max D or the place at Son of a Digger? Oh, good race. It's going to be Gold Max D for the win over Son of a Digger. Alright, in front, ready to go again. Michelangelo from the Ninja Turtles. Oh, and Michelangelo gets the win over King Clutch. Annihilator, Silver Series Zombie Hunter. And Silver Series Zombie Hunter eliminates Annihilator for the win. What an upset. And round 3 is going to be between either the no-born Bulldozer or the original Zombie Hunter. Who's going to go to the semis? It's going to be the normal Zombie Hunter. Wait a minute. Does that mean... Oh my goodness, it's happening, guys. Two Zombie Hunters met again for the second time in a row. The first time was for the Mattel competition. But, hell, I'm speechless. So, it's time for the semifinals. Let's say some names. Inside of Gold Max D, we have Martin 99X51. Inside of Michelangelo, we have Monster Jam Firestorm. Inside of the Silver Series Zombie Hunter, we have Monster Jam Extreme. And inside the normal version of Zombie Hunter, we have Monster Jam Sid. So let's kick the semifinals off with Gold Maximum Instruction taking on Michelangelo. So who's going to go to the championship race on Science Series number 4? Is it going to be either Michelangelo driven by Monster Jam Firestorm, or is it going to be Gold Maximum Instruction driven by Martin 99X51? So who's it going to be? It's going to be Martin 99X51 and Gold Max D. He's going to the finals. So who's going to join Martin 99X51 and Maximum Instruction in the finals? Because we got the Battle of the Zombie Hunters yet again. So, which Zombie Hunter is it going to be? Is it going to be the Silver Series or the normal? Let's find out. It is going to be the Silver Series. Monster Jam Extreme's going to the finals. A tough break right there for the normal version, driven by none other than Monster Jam Sid. Better luck next time, man. He's in the finals. And just like that, we are down to 2 trucks. Inside of Gold Maximum Instruction is 199X51. Looking to get his championship back. But we are through the Silver Series Zombie Hunter, driven by Monster Jam Extreme. Looking for his first win on my channel. It all comes down to this. Science Series number 4 concludes with these 2 trucks. Your winner of Science Series number 4, the retired truck edition, is gonna be none other than Martin 99X51 in gold Max D. I can see wide maximum destruction status. Congratulations to Mud 99X51 in gold maximum destruction, man. This truck has been proven why it may be retired, but it's still kicking. So congratulations, Mud 99X51. You deserve it, man. Monster Jam Extreme. Dude, this Zombie Hunter is nothing but fast and vicious. I gotta say, that semifinals between you and the original was awesome. I hope we can see these two battling out again. The tough break for Monster Jam was extreme, especially you, dude. You just gotta make it one step closer, and I know you're gonna get a win someday. Be sure to stick around for Sun Series number 5. Alright, guys, and that is probably gonna do it for Sun Series number 4, the Retired Truck Edition. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!